my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make for you two dips. One of them is going to be a savory kind of dip and the other one is a sweet dip. So they are both delicious. Make sure to watch the whole thing because you don't want to miss either one. But today is also a part of a dip collaboration called Dipcember 22, and it is hosted by Angela at The Inquisitive Farm Wife, and I will put a link to her channel in the description box below. After this video, make sure you go to her channel and click subscribe because on January 1st at 4 o'clock Central Standard Time, she is going to be having a live video and she will be giving away some prizes. So you want to make sure you take part of that. Also, I will list the playlist below because you want to check that out and support these content creators, watch their videos, leave a heartfelt comment. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started with these dips. All right, these are the ingredients that you'll need for a cheesy bacon spinach dip. You're gonna need spinach, mozzarella, cheddar. I use Colby Jack, so it says freshly grated Parmesan, but yeah, I have this already. Worcestershire sauce, mayonnaise, cream cheese, sour cream, and bacon. First thing I have to do is fry up 6 pieces of bacon. Now I need 2 cups of the baby spinach chopped, but I don't like those little things, so now I'm just gonna pick these off and just set the leaves aside, and then I'm gonna chop it up. Now to a mixing bowl, you're gonna add 1 block of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm using this attachment for my stand mixer, and you are just going to blend it together, mix it together until it is creamy. Now that the cream cheese mixture is smooth, I'm gonna add 2 cups of chopped up spinach, 1/2 cup of both cheeses, so 1/2 cup of mozzarella, 1/2 cup of cheddar, and then you are also going to add, which I almost forgot, add the crumbled up bacon, and you just mix that all together really well. Keep mixing until you get it all blended really well. Now you add it to a dish that has been sprayed, and once you add it in, you just spread it out evenly into the dish. Now you add the other 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese and the other 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can serve this dip with whatever you choose, but I'm using tortilla chips, and just look how cheesy that is. Wow, that looks yummy. and it tastes very good. So apparently this dip is viral on TikTok, but it is a s'mores dip. And I'm not on TikTok, so I didn't know, but I saw this recipe and it sounds delicious. And all you need is marshmallows, chocolate bars, and graham crackers. All right, so into a small skillet, you're just gonna line the bottom with these chocolate bars. Now you're gonna stack the marshmallows and you're gonna pack them tightly. This was ooey and gooey and yummy, but let me ask you this. Let me know in the comments, should you do 2 layers of the chocolate or just keep it at 1? Let me know in the comments below, have you ever heard of the s'mores dip? This is the first time I ever tried it, so it was really good, and it's super easy to make. Both of these dips are super easy, would be great for parties. Anyway, thank you so much for coming by. If you're new to my channel and you like shopping hauls, meal ideas, home decor, home organization, then I would love it if you would consider being a part of my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, because I do have more holiday content coming. You don't want to miss it. And leave a comment below and let me know if you're new, who you are. I would like to meet you. So anyway, also don't forget to check out the host, Angela at The Inquisitive Farm Wife. Don't forget to check out her channel, and make sure to check out the playlist below. I know each and every one of us is grateful when we have people that are new coming to our channel from other channels. But anyway, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, because it lets YouTube know that you're watching my channel. But I will see you next time. Bye.